So in the previous videos, we have solved 2x minus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. These two equations and x plus 2y is equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 66 and x plus y is equal to 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. So if you did not watch the previous videos, I recommend you go watch those videos first. Okay. Now 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 were intersecting lines, and we had only one solution, right, or unique solution. What was the solution? It was 3 comma 1. Okay, we had a solution, right? Even if there is one solution, the lines are consistent lines. This also we learned in the previous video, right? So these two are consistent lines, intersecting lines, and there is one solution for this. All right, and then we have solved this. X plus 2y is equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 66, and these two lines were parallel lines, and parallel lines will have no solution. If there is no solution, the lines are inconsistent, isn't it? So we did this, and the third one was x plus y is equal to 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, the lines were coincident lines. The two lines were lying on each other. And how many solutions were there? Infinite solutions were there. Okay, even if there is one solution, the lines will be consistent, isn't it? So consistent lines, these two were consistent lines. All right, we have learned this in the previous maybe 3 or 4 videos. All right, now we came to a conclusion that these two are intersecting lines and they have one solution and consistent only after drawing the graph of these two lines, isn't it? Okay, and we came to conclusion that these two are parallel lines only after drawing the graphs, and we came to conclusion that these two are coincident only after drawing the graph, right? So without drawing the graph, is there any method to tell whether these are intersecting lines or coincident lines or parallel lines? Yes, we have that method. We have a method. Okay, let us learn that method. See, general form of any linear equation in two variable will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, isn't it? This is the general form of linear equation in two variables. All right, so first let us write these two equations in general form. 2x minus y, this 5 comes on LHS, right, becomes minus 5. Here this 3x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. All right, so we have two equations. If we write the general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. See, we have two equations, right? A is equal to 2 here, a is equal to 3. So it will be confusing, right? We have a, b, c here, a, b, c here. How should we separate this or distinguish this? Let us write a1, b1 and c1. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. All right. So what is the value of a1 now? a1 is equal to how much? Coefficients. Coefficient of x is a1, right? So coefficient of x is equal to how much? 2 here. So a1 is equal to 2. Coefficient of b1, it is minus 1. If we don't have anything, it is 1 there, right? Minus 1. And what is coefficient of c1? Sorry, what is constant c1? Minus 5. Okay. So a1 is 2, b1 is minus 1, c1 is how much? Minus 5. And here, what is a2? It is equal to 3. What is b2? It is equal to 2. And what is c2? It is minus 11, not plus 11. It is minus 11. c2 is minus 11. All right. So we have the coefficients. Now let us see what will happen if we divide this. a1 divided by a2. a1 divided by a2. coefficient of x here, coefficient of x here. Let us divide. So we'll have 2 divided by 3. This is 2 divided by 3. Okay. Let us find b1 by b2. What is b1? Minus 1 divided by what is b2? 2. So it is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is c1 by c2? Minus 5 by minus 11. So it will be equal to 5 by 11. Minus minus will get cancelled, right? Okay. So here, what did we have? What do we have here? See, let me cancel this. So here we have a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 11. Okay. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, okay, see, a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2. If these two are not equal, that means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, the lines will be intersecting lines if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Forget about c1 by c2. It can be equal to c1 by c2 or it cannot be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, like this, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, but this can be equal to c1 by c2 or it may not be equal to c1 by c2. We need not worry about c1 by c2 when these two are not equal. Okay, if they are not equal, don't worry about c1 by c2 at all. Okay, so what did we learn in this? If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, let us go back to our example. See this one, 2x minus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. In this, a1 by a2 is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2, right? So intersecting lines only, right? Intersecting lines, one solution or unique solution and consistent. Okay, consistent lines. So intersecting lines, one solution, unique solution and consistent, right? Okay. Okay, now what will happen if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2? This case is also possible, right? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. If this is the case, the lines will be, the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so if they are parallel, how many solutions are there? No solution, right? The lines will have no solution. And whether it is consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. Okay, if this is the case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. We'll see here this one, x plus 2y is equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. Okay, so let us arrange this in standard form. X plus 2y, this 30 comes here, it will become minus, right? And this one, 2x plus 4y minus 66 is equal to 0. Now this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? So what is the value of a1 now? It is 1, right? If nothing is there, the coefficient is 1. So a1 is 1, b1 is equal to how much? 2. What is c1? Minus 30. Okay, we have this a1, b1 and c1. What is a2? a2 is equal to 2. What is b2? b2 is equal to 4. c2 is equal to minus 66. Okay, now let us find what is a1 by a2 here. See, a1 is 1, a2 is 2. a1 is 1, a2 is 2. So this will be how much? 1 by 2. Let us find b1 by b2. b1 is 2, b2 is how much? 4. So this is 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 will give us 1 by 2 only, right? Okay. Now let us find c1 by c2. What is c1? Minus 30. What is c2? Minus 66. So this is minus 30 divided by minus 66. Okay, minus minus will get cancelled. So this is 15 by 33. Okay, 15 by 33 we can cancel further, right? 5 divided by 11 using 3 table. So this is equal to 5 by 11. Now see, a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is 5 by 11. So in this case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. These two are equal, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this case is satisfied, right? Hence the lines are parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent. That's what we got, right? X plus 2y is equal to 30, 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. Parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent. Isn't it? Okay. Now, what will happen if all three ratios are equal? That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What will happen if all these three ratios are equal? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then the lines are coincident lines. Okay, how many solutions will it have? Infinite solutions. All right, consistent or inconsistent? Sorry, consistent. Okay, so if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, if all three are equal, then the lines will be coincident lines, infinite solutions, and consistent. Okay, so let us see this example. X plus y is equal to 2. Okay, x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Let us send 2 on the other side. We have x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, right? Okay, now let us write this as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So what will be a1? a1 will be equal to 1, right? b1 will be equal to 1, c1 will be equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2. All right, now we have 2x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What is a2? Plus 2. What is b2? This is also plus 2. What is c2? Minus 4. Okay, let us divide this now. What is a1? Let us divide a1 by a2. a1 is 1, a2 is 2. So this is 1 by 2 over, right? What is b1 by b2? b1 is 1, b2 is 2. So this is also 1 by 2. What is c1 by c2? Minus 2 divided by minus 4. Minus 2 divided by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 2 by 4 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. If we cancel using 2 table, right? So all three ratios are equal. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All three ratios are equal. Hence the lines are coincident lines. All right. And how many solutions are there? Infinite solutions. And consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. So that's what we got, right? X plus y is equal to 2, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Coincident lines, infinite solutions, and consistent. Okay, so what did we learn in this video? We have learned that if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, don't worry about c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the lines will be intersecting. Okay, will have intersecting lines. Okay, and of course one solution and consistent, right? And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, the lines will be parallel lines. Okay, how many solutions? No solutions, in fact, right? Consistent, inconsistent, inconsistent. All right, And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, the lines will be coincident lines. That means one line will lie on the other line. Okay, we'll have coincident lines. How many solutions? Infinite solutions. Okay, consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. All right. So without drawing the graph also, we can tell whether the lines are intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines using this concept, dividing the coefficients. Okay, we have few problems here. Without drawing the graph, let us see whether the lines are parallel lines, intersecting, or coincident lines or not. Okay, so this is x minus 2y is equal to 0. There is no constant term, right? And we have 3x plus 4y. Let us bring 20 on the other side. It becomes minus 20. So this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So we have a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 2, and c1 is equal to 0. Okay, and here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a2? It is equal to 3. What is b2? It is equal to 4. What is c2? Minus 20. Okay, let us divide the ratios. A1 by a2, 1 by 3. A1 is 1, a2 is how much? 3. Let us divide b1 by b2. Minus 2 divided by 4. Minus 2 divided by 4 is how much? Minus 1 by 2. If we cancel using 2 table, minus 1 by 2. So are these two ratios equal? One is 1 by 3, one is minus 1 by 3. They are not equal. We need not worry about what is c1 divided by c2. Okay, because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, now tell me what type of lines are these? Are they intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines? They are intersecting lines because the first condition is satisfied, right? Intersecting lines. How many solutions will it have? Only one solution. Now the lines are consistent or inconsistent? Consistent lines. All right. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting lines, one solution, and consistent. All right. Now the next one. See, let us rearrange this. 4 comes on the other side, becomes minus 4, and this is minus plus 4x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? What is a1? 2. All right. What is b1 here? Minus 1. c1 minus 4. a2 4. b2 minus 2. c2 minus 6. Okay, let us find the ratios. a1 divided by a2. a1 divided by a2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. So a1 divided by a2, we got 1 by 2. b1 divided by b2 is minus 1 by minus 2. b1 is minus 1, b2 is minus 2. So this will also be 1 by 2. Okay, now what is c1 divided by c2? What is c1? Minus 4. c2 is minus 6. Minus 4 divided by minus 6. Minus minus will get cancelled. This is 2 by 3. Okay, so in this case, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, not equal to c1 divided by c2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal, not equal to 2 by 3, right? So these two lines are what now? What is this condition? Parallel, right? These two lines are parallel to each other. Parallel lines, how many solutions? No solution. Consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. Right? Now we have third problem. They are already arranged in standard form, right? So this is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. All right, what is a1? It is equal to 1. What is b1? 2. c1 minus 4. a2, it is equal to 2. b2 is equal to 4. c2 is equal to minus 12. Okay, let us find the ratios of coefficients. a1 divided by a2, a1 divided by a2, 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, b1 divided by b2, 2 by 4. This is also equal to 1 by 2. c1 divided by c2, minus 4 divided by minus 12, c1 divided by c2, minus 4 divided by minus 12. So minus minus will get cancelled. This is 1 by 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now in this case also we have a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, because this is half, and this is 1 by 3, not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so these two lines are parallel lines. How many solutions? No solutions. Okay, consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. All right, this one, 3x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. This 2 should come here. And this is 6x plus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. All right, what is a1? It is equal to 3. b1 is equal to 4. c1 minus 2. Okay, what is a2? 6. b2 8. c2 minus 4. So let us divide the ratios. a1 divided by a2, it is 3 by 6. How much? It is 1 by 2. 3 divided by 6. b1 divided by b2, 4 by 8. How much? 1 by 2. c1 divided by c2, minus 2 divided by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. This is also how much? 1 by 2. Now all the three ratios are same. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, when all three ratios are same, the lines will be, say these two lines will be coincident lines, right? How many solutions? Infinite solutions. Consistent or inconsistent? Consistent lines. All right, okay, and finally we have one question. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1. Okay, c1 is equal to minus 5. a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 4. All right, so let us divide. a1 divided by a2, this is 2 by 3. b1 divided by b2, 1 by minus 2. So these two are not equal, right? So we need not worry about c1 by c2 at all. Okay, so a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. All right, so which means these two lines are intersecting lines, isn't it? Intersecting lines. How many solutions? One solution or unique solution. Consistent or inconsistent? Consistent. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. It is very easy. Three conditions will be there. a1 divided by a2 will not be equal to b1 divided by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting lines. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, parallel lines. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, coincident lines. Okay, without drawing the graph, dividing the coefficients, we can say whether the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident lines.